or other social media platforms so that those who are not able to make it to this particular live launch event, they can watch it later and understand what we are doing here.
I guess you might have got the notification.
Yes, thank you so much, Ritik. So, hello once again, everyone, and welcome to today's launch event. My name is Trehan Sangpre, and I'm a now third year student. I was in second year, so exams have ended, as you all know. So, third year student from BTech CSE, School of Engineering. And yeah, now I would like my other team members to introduce themselves.
So, hi, I am Abhijit, okay, and I am from fourth year CSE, and that's pretty much I am from School of Engineering. And I will request other.
Hi everyone, I'm Ritik and I am from fourth year Computers and Communication, same from School of Engineering.
So, hello everyone, it's me Dikshit. I'm from fourth year Computer and Communication Engineering from Presidency University. I welcome you all for the launch event of Virtual Canopy. Have fun, guys.
Hey everyone, my name is Dhanush from fourth year Computer Science Engineering. I do graphic design for Virtual Canopy.
Hello everyone, my name is Anda. I'm from second year School of Design.
And any other members, or the members are also shy. So then let's go to the biggest question, what we are. Okay, so I think Tran will answer that question first. So guys, the wait is over. We are gonna telling what we are now. So Tran, stage is all yours and go ahead.
Okay. So, one of my friends here who has joined us today, Rahul, said that this is a kind of virtual meetup platform or something like that. So, what is virtual canopy? So, let's remember what our original canopy used to be. In the university, canopy used to be the heart of our university, right? Every single building and every single school, whether it's engineering, management, or design or law, everything was connected centrally through the canopy. That was everyone's meeting spot. Whether it's hostelers who are going towards a mess, everyone used to say bhai canopy mein milna. That's where everyone used to meet, right? That was the hub of everything at the university. So because of this pandemic, everyone's at their homes right now, and the university, I don't think so is going to open anytime soon for now. But yeah, so virtual canopy, the idea is solely that we are trying to create a virtual space. It is not a college club. It is not like an event or something. This is just a space for all Presidency University students. Okay, this is just a space, just like you create a small group. This is not a small group because it will contain all of the different schools, all of the different departments, all of the different years. The one thing which we are missing right now, especially the first year students who are joining us right now. Okay, sorry for the disturbance from the background. Yeah, so one thing that everyone's missing right now because of not being physically in college is the connections that you have. So it might have happened that your class has changed, your batch has changed, or the year changed and you are in a new class right now. Or especially the freshers, you have just now come to this new university and you don't have any kind of connection with the seniors or even your classmates, right? So virtual canopy, we are trying to bridge that gap, okay, between the juniors and the seniors, between different schools, because there are a lot of amazing people that we don't know about. There are a lot of amazing people in our university itself, and it would be amazing to learn from what they have. Like I can talk about the people that we have here in the panel today, those who thought of this idea, and we are working on it for the past 1 month to make this happen, this launch event. So we have Abhijit, whose idea this was to connect everyone. Okay, he's a great designer, UI UX developer, and also a web developer. We have Dhanush, the posters that you saw, and everything else. Dhanush was the person who created those posters. He designed them along with Inder, again School of Design. So there are a lot of amazing people in our university. But again, if you don't have a kind of medium to reach out to them, how are you going to know that there are people like this who are amazing at their skills inside our university? So that is the gap which we are trying to bridge with the virtual canopy. Okay, and there are a lot of things to be explained about the virtual canopy, so let's not wait anymore. I hope you got a certain idea about what we are trying to do. This is not a college club. There is not an event or anything like that. This is something much more than that. This is very special for all the President's University students, because this is not about any a single person. This is about all of the students, even the juniors and the seniors. This is about our college and the connectivity inside that college. So let's go on to Mr. Abhijit to explain you more about why this virtual canopy, why you should be a part of it, because we are creating this for the university. So let's hear it from him.
First, Mr. Abhijit, really, and second, a very warm welcome to everyone. Okay, and can I talk to you in a bit heart to heart or informal way, because I will talk very formally, and there will be like a bit of a communication gap. So if you want to say that no, I can talk formally, so I can talk in the real me, who I am as a person, not as you are seeing in the front of the camera. So can I have just 1% yes or anything? I want to go into in a very formal way that I have written a script since the morning, so I can go in whichever way with the whole audience want. Okay, so I have 2 yes. Okay, so somebody take. So I will tell you. Okay, why we are doing this. I'm in a 4th year. Okay, and it's like as this some pandemic happened, we have replaced our online education, the online education, with our Zoom classes, and there's nothing we can do about it. Like there's nothing the teachers can do about it, and there's nothing as a student we can do about it. We have only option to join the classes, and they have only option to teach in the classes, and Zoom is the medium. But college is not about just the education. If you want a skill, you can find any skill online from anywhere around the world. The courses has been like, there have been phenomenal edtech starters for that. But there's one thing which cannot be replaced, and we are also not trying to replace or mimic it by any way. We're just trying to give some part of that experience. That the experience is called our campus. College is not just all about the skills or the something knowledge we are getting. College is lot more much about the experiences which we are facing, the setbacks, the friendship, the emotional breakups. I think many have few setbacks in our first year, second year, third year. In the 4th year, setbacks also happens. But that's a part of the whole college life. It doesn't stop you. It doesn't make college life less enjoyable. These are the flaws which everyone's like. But is that really, can we do it in a Zoom class? Imagine now everyone turned on their cam and everyone is talking in the class. But do you think that can be replaced? No, even a campus has a lot of things. Like it doesn't have no events and fest. People talked in the campus. People talk to different schools. I have gathered all these people from different schools and different years. I never met them personally, or like few who was in my 4th year with me. I know them, but I didn't know them personally very well. But I still met them, right? And they are the most amazing people. And there are a lot of amazing people I personally don't know about or I'm missing. This is something I really want to create. Okay, and trust me, if you might Trehan said that I was the idea behind it, and you might have been thinking I'm the founder or this is kind of a legitimate startup or initiative. But let me be very honest with you, this is not a startup, this is not an initiative. I have equal rights. Somebody has the member who is not in the chat box or listening to us. I am like how it happens in a real college. I have the same level of power, right, or have a same experience of a college life that you people have. There's no up or there's no hierarchy in the college. That's the experience I want to create, and that was the whole reason behind it. We never want to replace something that actual college life. Like we just want to give some gist of it, because we all know if I give you a fake promise that I'm gonna give you a very nice college campus experience virtually, I will be lying, and I'm gonna not lie to you, because there's something I cannot do. If somebody has the idea that this can be possible, please go ahead, do it. I will join you, but I'm just gonna give you a promise that we will, not I, not we, doesn't mean that this team of few members or the management team which I have gathered, all my friends, we means all the people who have in this currently meeting all the other university students, we will give you a best campus experience. And I'm quoting in this word virtually. We cannot give you a real, virtually. And that's my promise. I will do anything to give you that experience. But can I alone do it? And can this team of 20 members which I have gathered can do it? No, not at all. We need a campus is not meant by just 20 members. A campus is meant by all of the students here. So that's the whole idea about it. And that's enough my pep talk. And hope I didn't bore you. And I like somewhat I have clicked you. And don't worry, might have given you a lot of doubts about it. So get your doubts prepared because we are really gonna open your mics and you can ask us the questions, but don't ask tough questions. Yeah, like we are quite scared already. Thank you very much. Thanks for listening me. That's it. So let me introduce where are we going this right now, because we have certain plans in the future, but I'm the person who don't give you fake promises about the future. I'm gonna give you a platform right now where we are gonna do it. Later on, I'm gonna reveal lot of things to you, and not we. Everyone is gonna reveal lot of things planned up. But as if you know that we have created lot of about for this launch event. So if you're expecting that we're gonna reveal it everything today, sorry, we are not gonna do it. We're gonna do it turn by turn, step by step, and that's our style basically. So let's introduce to the platform. Okay, Triyan, stage is all yours and kill it.
Yeah, definitely. So thank you so much, Abhijit. So I hope everyone got a slight idea of what this is. Like again, it's not a college club or a committee or anything like that. We are just trying to, provide the best kind of virtual experience that we can in these conditions, because again, nothing can beat the offline university experience. Nothing can beat the intimacy of just meeting someone new in the college, or having conversation with someone offline. That's just not beatable. But still, since we are not able to do that, and again, even if you are in the university, you sometimes miss out on some good people. Like, you might not talk to your seniors, you might be just be talking with your classmates or a group of friends, and not more than that. So maybe this particular platform, that virtual canopy, or through which you are going to do it, might unlock those things, that unseen potential that you might have, even while offline or online, to connect with your seniors, take help from them in any ways, or just chill and relax with other friends. Okay, like your friends, make some new friends. This is going to be your place, like virtually online. This is the virtual canopy. So let's go ahead and meet your platform where we'll be doing all of this right now. So let me quickly share my screen, and it would be amazing if you guys could just text in the chat box whether you can see the screen or not. So let me share it. Okay, so is the screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible. You can go.
Yes, Rehan,
Okay.
you can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, yep, this is it. This is the virtual canopy. This platform is called Discord. Let's first of all see how many of you know about Discord.
Just write about the chat bar you know about Discord. And this is a very important question, because
you can react also. Yeah, you can raise
Try
your
your
hands the
hands up.
best way. Yeah, let's see. Out of everyone who's here, just raise your hands. Those who know about Discord. That's great. Like, I see a lot of hands raising up. That's amazing.
I didn't expect it at all, to be honest, guys. I thought numbers gonna be less, but it's good.
But again, yeah, there's no need to worry. Even if you don't know about it, we are gonna explain everything to you right now. Okay, so thank you so much for raising your hands for this question. And yeah, let's get right into it. So this is Discord. Discord is a communications platform that it combines WhatsApp, Telegram, and every other platform, and brings you the best experience that you can get. So in a way, we are promoting Discord right now, but again, this is a great platform where you can just create groups and you can talk about things. So let's see what do we have right now in the virtual canopy. And as Abhijit said, as the whole team is here who is managing it right now, this is not just us, this is not going to be just us. Everyone in the university can be a part of it as usual, but also you can also be a part of the management team as well. You can also help us out in maintaining this, because it takes a lot of effort to manage everything, like this Discord server itself, creating all the roles, creating all the channels. It requires time and effort. So if you want to contribute towards this virtual canopy, you definitely can. We'll also be sending out forms for that as well, so that you can apply for becoming a part of the management team later on. But for now, just enjoy being a part of the virtual canopy. So can someone send the invite link to the canopy right now, so that they can just, those who know about Discord, they can just join it right away, and it will be amazing to tell them about the whole experience in just this live event. Anyone from the management team, they can drop the invite link. I see. The chat is so cool right now. We have all turned into Discorders during this lockdown. That's correct. Clubhouse with, yep, Clubhouse with VC. You're right. That's a kind of thing. Okay, wait. Let me grab it from here itself. Let me only send it. So rules. Okay. So I have dropped the link in the chat. So you guys can now click on that link and join our Discord server, the virtual canopy. Thank you so much, Inder. Thank you so much for dropping it in. So as you can see, now let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, a few people are joining in. I can see Harsh, I can see Hardik. So welcome to the virtual canopy, and let's get a small tour of the whole server and how exactly things work. And those who are expert in Discord, you might have figured it out already by joining it, but let's again go over to it. So yeah. So as you can see, by entering it, you can see the server stats. So the number of members that are in the server, you can see those at all times. So we can see our whole presidency university students family growing each in every day. And then you can see the rules. So these are some general guidelines for any Discord server. So just, go ahead, read them out, and just, make sure that you follow the rules at all times. We don't want any kind of, misbehavior or any kind of things happening which is written in the rules, because that will go against the community guidelines, and we don't want to defy any kind of community guidelines at all. We want to keep it extremely clean and the most supportive community for all Presidency University students. Okay. So the next thing is very interesting. It's called Get Your Role. So what you can do here is, here you can see that there are different schools: SOE, SOM, SOD, SOC, and SOL. Okay, engineering, management, design, commerce, and law. So what you can do is, whichever school you're a part of, okay, you can click on the respective icons. Okay, I can see people are selecting SOM, SOD. So whichever school you're a part of, just click on that particular icon here. As you can see, I myself from School of Engineering, so I have clicked this SOE icon, the first one. And what it will do is it will appoint you a role. So you can see that I have a role of SOE. Okay. So that's how we'll be able to tell, like, okay, this much students we have from SOE, from SOM, and if there are few in future some opportunities, or maybe some some great resources, or suppose if there's a senior and he has some assignments or something to share with you, they can just normally tag you through the roles. So we'll be talking more about that later, but yeah, that's there. And then you have new members. So whoever joins the Discord server, you'll be able to see them here. They'll get a nice welcome message here. Okay. And then after that, you have the announcement category. Inside this, you will receive announcements. So server announcements, it's for extremely important server changes announcements, or anything that big happening inside the server. That means this Discord server. And the next thing is event announcements. Okay, so event announcements, again, if we are having any event like some game night or some talent show, just for fun, just to bring all the community together, or maybe some kind of educational event someday, or maybe there's some senior who is great at UI design, or there's some senior who is a great at game design, and they just want to share their skill with you. So we'll be announcing the event here in the event announcement channel. And if you want, you can then go ahead and watch them explain the whatever topic it is to you. It can be fun, it can be educational, it can be anything. Okay. as far as it is, not violating the guidelines. That's there. Then you have Chatterbox. Okay, so Chatterbox again is a place where you can just generally chat with everyone inside the community. Okay, so you can chat with everyone who is inside the community. Then you have the introduction channel. Introduction is where you can introduce yourselves if you want to. So you can introduce yourselves by using a set of questions or anything else, but yeah, that's how you do it. In the server suggestions, so suppose if you want something to be added to the server, to this virtual canopy, you can then suggest your changes inside this channel. How you do this is you write down question mark and then you write suggest, and then you write down your suggestion. Okay, so let's say can we have a channel, okay, for Marvel MCU basically, okay, Marvel Cinematic Universe. And when you do that, it will automatically get converted into, suggestions. And then based on the number of people who update it, upvote it, so we can have that thing implemented inside the server immediately. Like I can see someone wrote, can we have a channel for gaming? So yep, we can have a channel for gaming. So whatever suggestions you want to give, you can give it in this way, and then we can implement those changes. Next thing is show your work. So here you can show whatever work you are doing, whatever you're working on, any of your great projects, or maybe some photo that you took that's amazing, whatever you're proud of, you can just share it here in the show your work channel. The next thing is help and support. So at any times, if you need any kind of help from the moderators who are maintaining the server or the server maintainers, you can just write it down here and we'll be very happy to, help you out in whatever way we can. Then you have something known as levels. So the more and more you interact with people inside the server, your level is going to increase. So right now, what this is going to be is this channel, I guess, is not open to you right now. So every time you talk, your level is going to increase. So you can see that right now the bot has sent a message that I have just reached level 2. So we are going to open this channel up for you guys very shortly. And then what you can do is you can use this command, okay, exclamation rank, to check what your rank is, and it will give you the rank in this format. Okay, so that is something that you can do here. This is a great thing that to have. Then you have something known as Hangout voice chat. Okay, so voice chats are basically voice calls, and you can share your screen, you can turn on your video, you can do a lot of stuff. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to just click on the Hangout, this voice channel, okay, as you can see, and you will be here. So I can see that Prem Kumar is there and he might be able to hear me right now. I can see a few more people joining in. So that's how you join into a voice chat. And inside this voice chat, then I can share my screen, I can turn on my video. There's a lot of stuff that I can do here, and I can just, disconnect. So I'll be out of the voice chat. So that is the place where you can just quickly click there and get on with your friends and talk about anything random or anything that you want to. This is just normally hanging out with your friends, just like you used to at the canopy, right? So this is something that you can do. Then you have specific channels related to events. So whenever we are going to have an event, you can give your feedback in the event feedback channel. And if you don't, if you cannot unmute yourselves, you can use the no mic channel to talk. Okay, so we'll be discovering this event thing later on when we have an event in the future. We'll explain everything. Let's not get into that right now. There's a lot of things that are here. Okay, server stage and everything. So let's not, go too deep into it in one day itself. We'll show you around the whole server again. And then you can see actually someone wrote that, can we have a channel for gaming? So if you notice here, we have some random channels, okay, where you can talk about any particular, thing which you like. So you can talk about gaming, anime, movies, web series, or we'll just increase on this list later on. Okay, so whatever you guys suggest, we're going to increase it here, and you can find people who are like-minded, who share the same interests, just as you, so that you can meet them, talk about your interests together, because it's fun, right? And that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to bridge that gap between different people, so you'll be able to meet new people through these channels. Okay, so these are those channels. And then you have your own school channels. Okay, so you have SOM, SOE, SOC, SOL, and SOD. So for every school, you have a certain set of channels where you'll be given a sense, certain topic. You can talk about it. You can talk generally, okay, in the talk over channel, and you can share memes regarding that particular school. So engineering memes, engineering people, you can share it here. Then you have resources. So resources can be used by the seniors or juniors as well. If you have a great resource or maybe some great book or anything that you are studying from, you can use that. Okay, so these are the channels. This is the Discord server. This is the virtual canopy. So I hope you guys You guys have got the link. We'll be spreading it out again on our socials and through our Instagram bio as the WhatsApp group that you are in. So yeah, stay tuned for the links and do join the Discord server as soon as you can. And we'll have some great events lined up for you in the coming days. So that's all about the Discord server. And now what we'll do is now we can take your questions about the canopy, the Discord server, or anything in general that you want to ask. So if you have a question, if you want to, unmute yourselves, so you can raise your hands and we will turn on your mics, or
They
else
have
you can
option for
also,
mute.
okay.
We are not only asking for the questions, if you have suggestions and much more than that, please.
Yeah,
no issues.
definitely.
Hello, good evening all.
Yeah,
Hey,
sure.
can you introduce yourselves?
Yeah, I'm Udit Rajivan from SOL, Presidency University, 4th year. Actually, if you guys could give more details as to, we all are in a virtual forum. So if you can give us more details as to how this virtual platform will actually remove the void because of void which the virtual thing has created. Like how can we be connected more into reality through this forum of yours?
Okay.
Okay, so Priyan, you want to answer that?
Yeah, sure. Why not? So to answer your question, the thing is that let's talk about the team that you can see right now in front of you. So how did we come together? So Abhijit contacted me and other students that you can see here, seniors. Like I am in third year right now. These are my seniors in fourth year. So everyone we got together through a medium of that we were in presidency. So Abhijit just found us out on LinkedIn or through the university, through friends. So that's because of connections that he has. But not everyone has that kind of connection generally, right? We take time to make those connections, and sometimes we are not able to make those because we don't have the means to create those connections. So that is what we are trying to do. The void that you're talking about, that this platform will allow everyone to easily interact with everyone from different schools as well as from different years, and that actually makes a lot of difference because you learn a lot of things from the people who are more experienced than you. That's correct, right? So right now I am one of the members in this team who is helping around. Basically we are just helping around to create this platform. So we are learning a lot of things while creating this, and we had a lot of fun while in the meetings that we had to create this. So yeah, that is how we are trying to bridge that gap to fill that void of not connecting with people through virtual canopy.
So, as in reality, if I may say that in reality, I may have I may have a problem in bridging that gap because I don't know people, or probably let's say Trehan, I don't know you, or I don't know anyone, so I won't talk. But what makes it different when I come to Discord? Like, are you going to give me a special kind of input when I ask for, like, are you going to have a separate kind of surveillance over me or something of that sort if I ask for? Because in sometimes in college or something, we won't get the same kind of input from teachers because it may
Yeah,
matter because I may not
I
have that
get
much
your
of
point.
connectivity.
I get your
Yeah.
point. So yeah, that's gonna be different because again, here everyone's a student from different years, right? So suppose if you are facing a problem, so your problem will be visible, or whatever maybe you have a doubt, you're studying about something, or just generally you want to talk about something. So because we'll have a lot of students here in such diversity, you will find people who share the same interest as you. Maybe suppose for example you're learning web development and you have some doubt in it. So maybe there's someone who already has finished learning web development, so they can help you out if you have a doubt. So that kind of gap is going to bridge through these things because of the students, the amount of students we have, and the kind of talent we have here. That is going to help you out because every single person, every single student has some or the other talent, and that's how they can contribute and teach everyone that their talents and discuss about anything that they want to.
Thank you so much.
Others as well, if you have any questions that you want to ask.
Guys, please, we are open to the question. That's why we keep our presentation very short so that we can answer your questions by yourself rather than we think.
Thanks for all of your effort, guys. I think you've put in a lot of effort to make all these channels and all these moderate roles and the automations, whatever you have done in this Discord. It's pretty big. This whole show is pretty big. So thanks for all your effort in coming together and trying to get all of us together.
Thank you
Sure.
so much. I guess this is. I'm not able to see
I'm
the names.
Rahul.
Okay, Rahul. Okay,
Rahul.
thank you, Rahul.
Right.
Guys,
Guys, also I have a suggestion if you guys are okay
sure.
with it.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
There's this website called gather.town, if you've heard of it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's pretty much like Discord, but way better. And it's not just voice, it's like you make avatars of yourself, like a small Bitmoji kind of thing, which moves around. And in a place like a home or any kind of environment that you can build, there are a lot of kits to build any kind of building there. So you can move around and have other people have these avatars and talk to, when you go near them you can interact with them through voice and video as well. It's literally Discord but live and interactive.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll definitely check it out, and like we can keep the communication platform to Discord, and we'll explore it more. And when we have something substantial, maybe we can move it to there, gather.town.
Yes,
Sure.
we can have our events on that because it's completely based on live things. Like we can
Yeah.
interact live, so we can have our
Yeah,
events
I
held
actually
up there.
found out about this gather today, and I was pretty excited, just checking it out. It was like Discord into 10 times. So when I heard about you guys, I thought, okay, maybe they might be using this platform.
No,
I had a
because
guess.
Discord has a vast reach as of now,
Right,
so
right,
we
right.
wanted to keep
Discord
it
is very
more.
vast.
Yeah,
Right.
because
So
again, Discord again, a lot of people they don't know about it, so it's gonna be really hard to at least first get them to Discord, and then maybe
Right,
we
right.
can transfer to gather.town because they
Yeah, yeah,
need to
sure, sure.
be.
You can have the
Yeah,
main group here and then small
exactly,
events or something like that there.
exactly. That's what we can do. Thank you
Okay.
so much for
Anyways,
the
thanks for
suggestion.
all your effort. Yeah.
Thanks really so much for the suggestions. And we want more questions. I thought there are 40 members. I thought I know very much myself. I make people confuse a lot. So I might have done you with you all. So please, I'm not that much as a great presenter. Okay, I am as normal student as you all are. Okay. So I think I've cleared a lot of doubts. So please go ahead. Even the silliest one, weirdest one, I'm gonna take it all, okay? If you want to ask personally to me, no issues. If you're not in a mic person, if you're outside, just write in a chat box. Need not to be like a voice or everything. We are open with almost everything, so no issues. And we can talk to us generally. Like we schedule this meeting till 45, so still a
Yeah,
plenty of time is here. So you can talk. And first, we have given you or we have promised you or we are trying to give you a lot. Now I want to take something from you and I'm going to be really honest. I cannot make a community or campus just with 60 students or 40 students. That's even less than a class strength. I
yeah,
want you to at least for a month our target is to reach 500 plus. And this is not something we share every day and call every one of our friends. That's even not we. I think someone from everyone has to put a bit of an effort. I'm asking that bit effort to all to share this as much as you can. Before that, you don't know what you're signing up for, right? Because we have make it very secret till now, till
correct,
7
correct.
o'clock. But right now, we have tell you what's our agenda is, what we are actually. Okay, so we have cleared it very well. I hope now you know that what are you sharing. So don't hesitate now. If you feel this is something great or never you have experienced before in Presidency University, please go ahead. This is not some general club where we have a particular agenda about.
Yeah,
And it's just something we are doing just for the not just from our pure heart, nothing extra. Okay, no, all the things gonna be by us and for us. And I think that's the idea, like something like by us,
exactly. Like by the students for the students.
by
That's
the
the
students
agenda.
and we for the students. Okay,
Correct.
so please go ahead and ask questions because I really hoping you can ask more and more questions. The more we can, you can clear out. If somebody asked you, no, like you might have shared it on your status, on your stories. So I know Sanidhya, you have raised your hand, so just let me finish.
Yeah, I guess
Sir.
Hardik is here. Yeah.
Yeah, Hardik is also there.
Is
So
my voice audible, sir?
yeah,
Your
you are.
voice is
Yeah, yeah.
too.
So
So
let me just
basically,
finish
I'm
it.
a student of first year, and basically, you guys are all my seniors. So, like, I would like to know that in first year, how your experience was there, and how you guys were able to manage time for yourself with the assignments and with the projects, everything.
So who's gonna answer? Who is the best senior here?
We should
I
leave it
think I
for
can
him
answer this
to
question.
join Discord and ask us there.
Yeah, this question is really interesting. If we
Yeah.
give you have if you have
Yeah,
given
we
this,
need an answer here, guys. Come on,
give
some
like,
senior.
yeah,
Huh.
we will definitely answer this question here itself. But
Yeah, there are different answers for everyone.
there
So
also.
I
you
mean,
can give us.
the like the experience like all together of yourself will also be counted. It's like कैसा भी चलेगा.
Okay,
Well,
so
overall,
can I like say something about it because I am the juniorest among all of them because अभी मेरा second year खत्म हुआ है, so I finished second year recently. So the experience is great. Like in one word, if I have to define it, because I was able to experience college life for the first semester. Okay, so the whole semester I was in college. I guess you guys did not get to go to college, right? Okay, that's sad, but again, we are trying to do something for you guys. So yeah, the first semester was great in the college, and we had a lot of fun. As studies are concerned, so it's very easy because the first year all the subjects are extremely easy, and you can like I'm not going too much into the academic stuff because again my statements may differ for different people, but yeah, for me and some of my friends it was very easy. We used to just study 1 week before the exam, and other time we just used to enjoy in the campus because the campus is great. And yeah, so the whole thing is great, but again you'll have to put in a lot of efforts afterwards to gain up on your skills.
I will tell you what my experience was, okay? And this is general for my batch students. Our batch experienced offline equally and online equally. So what happens was first month was like very nice, hunky dory, and was like till freshers, time flew, okay. And as the fresher just finished, test one came, okay. Fresher finished within, I think, after 2 days. I think Saturday was our freshers, like for most of the guys. So on Monday there was test one, and most of the people were not knowing about it. And after test one, we realized we have to study in the engineering so that we can pass. This is not something no that film have showed us कि भाई बस गए एक रात पढ़े and it happens. We have studied one night before, okay. Most of the students have studied. I'm not that studious.
That's usual.
So if you are in offline, so till freshers your time flews. You don't even you talk to almost everyone, okay. This is how something happens. After test one, your lives become a bit slow. It was go like you were like, okay, how to pass the day, and after that some other event happened. So if you are into that kind of a person who takes lot of part and enjoy the event, goes, then also time flew. Then again a test two came, and then this process cycle goes once and again and again and again. That's how you pass your engineering. But in online, everybody know the same, so I don't have to say.
So yeah, if everyone agrees over here, what I'll say.
So
First
Sanjay,
semester
you had
was
a question, right? Sorry to interrupt. I think we should answer questions first.
Yeah, I
If
think
you have someone,
yeah.
I have a question.
I left a text in the chat. If you can read and answer.
Yeah.
Guys,
I
I
have a
just want to
question.
tell
So,
I just want to tell something to Adik Yadav. I mean, for the question what he asked, bro, you don't have to do anything. Engineering just gonna make you do it. Just relax and do your things right.
As of a first year, I'm a little bit of nervous myself. Like
Since you're at
Yeah,
home,
yeah.
you're not getting that
Everyone will go
experience.
through it. Everyone will go through it, but trust me, engineering itself, it's gonna make you do it. Do everything done.
Yeah,
Just
plus
relax.
like
Just stay
because
on the
of
track.
being here, I don't know, because of being in presidency or something, but yeah, I was able to start my own startup towards the end of first year, and right now it's going amazing for me and the team and everything that's going on. So yeah, you have a lot of opportunities. You just should know where to look for them.
And
so
for Sanid's question, like
Yeah,
to
Sanjit.
answer, how will the members know what all events are going on. So we have a Discord, like we have a channel in Discord server that says get notified. So
Yeah.
all our notification will pop up there. As soon as we decide on anything, we will let you know in that get notified section.
Yeah,
And
and
what
event
day and
announcements
what
as well.
time? Usually, if it is an offline classroom, like we are expecting an offline classroom by the by within these 3 to 4 months. So if it is offline, we would go for evening events. Else, the time may vary. And how can we contact you in case someone want to organize an event? We already have a help and support channel. You can make us you can ping us there, or you can ping us directly as well, because you will have the member access as well, like who are the moderators and all. You can directly ping us. We will let you know the timings when the slots are free, and we'll let you know when you can host your event, and we'll help you a lot in that as well.
Yeah, correct.
So, Sanad, next question was, I think somebody is raising his hand.
Yeah.
So Shiva, right? You can go ahead.
It is Satvik. Hello everyone. You people are doing a great job. Since I've come newly to presidency, like I have people from all over the places. So when we text in the group, there are many conflicts. Like what is sarcastic to me isn't sarcastic to them. So they get offended easily. So how do you think this Discord is gonna tackle all that? This
Like you
channel
mean
of
the
yours?
communication gap between the different, we have in presidency, we have from different communities, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we
I
have.
know.
So see, as every community, okay, whether you take this college, whether you take this state, a particular state, or you take this country as India, like no, every have their own feelings. There's nothing you can do about it, and the best we can do about is we can respect each other's feeling, and we have a respect. Okay, we are all belong to a civilized community. I think some people might get offended, okay, but they don't take it very personally, because as a student, no, we have a energy to rage out very well. Even in the fourth year, I get offended. Okay, I'm gonna be very honest. For my personal things, I get offended, and that's very human being. Like if you're not a robot, that's very human nature. There's nothing you can do about it. So the best we have wrote the guidelines in a such a way that this is very clear. It's not a very gibberish or fancy English. Bhai, no, just respect each and everyone's opinion. You can deny or disagree with anyone's opinion, and you can disagree and with give them proof, but you cannot disrespect them. Denial is accepted, but disrespecting is not allowed, expected. Okay, and if someone who is trying to make this bad, I'm telling you, if I get 5 complaints or few complaints about that, this is something something I got offended. And this is not that we have blindly taken action that we got 5 complaints about someone and we will just throw you out. Because this is a college, nobody throws you out of the college, and we have no right to throw you out. Especially me, not Trehan, not anyone from the management community. If anyone's from the moderators also can give you any kind of a trouble, and this for the management team, contact me personally. Trust me, these are the people I know personally, so I can take their personal actions. But we will take a very democratic action against them, not on my personal basis, not on the moderator's personal biasness. There's one thing I can guarantee: it's gonna be a very democratic. Everyone has the equal rights. Even me, I told you in the beginning, I'm not the founder. Somebody has to start it. This is not a very unique idea I'm come up with. Okay, I'm not very genius guy. Some juniors might have thought it. Maybe Hardik could have thought it. Maybe you could have thought it. Not now. 3 months from later on. Maybe some of my seniors have thought it before, but they couldn't execute it. Somebody has to take the responsibility, and somebody has to start it, right? So I just started it. There's nothing. I'm very not cool, fancy, or founder kind of a person. I'm as normal as you are. Due to this pandemic, we have that communication gap. Otherwise, I'm very like chill kind of a person. So relax.
And moreover, to dive into your question, we have something called as server moderators, which we will keep monitoring what's happening, what's not happening. And even if you feel very kind of uncomfortable, you can reach to me or Dhanush, and we will check on it. So you don't need to worry about it.
Yeah, and on a lighter note though, this community is like meant for basically, communicating. So I don't think so. For some time at least, we won't get anything offensive. But yeah, if we do, then you know the rules. But yeah, we want to keep it clean, as I told in the beginning, and this should be more of, you know, to empower all the students. And see, the general sarcastic chats, memes, and all of that stuff, you guys know where to do that, right? So this is basically something where you are trying to bridge the gap. So if we focus more on that to make meaningful connections, and try to contact your seniors, and, you know, get the resources, learn from them, and overall build a healthy community, so I guess that won't be a problem in the long run. I hope so.
Yeah, I mean, this community grows along with you. The more you interact,
Exactly.
the more you kind of work in that Discord, the better and more efficient the community grows. So that's something on a very bright side, that you carry something along with you and it grows along with you.
Plus, as Presidency is a fairly new college, all of you might know this, right? This is a fairly new college, so we don't have an alumni network, right? So basically, we are the alumni network. Even the first years right now, you guys are alumni. Okay, so we are creating the network, so maybe this will help future students as well. Because again, Presidency University is going to be your graduate university for your whole life. So even if you feel that there's something missing with this, or maybe you might have some more expectations and they're not being fulfilled, so maybe we can contribute towards that a little bit through this virtual canopy, right? So that's the whole idea. Like, that's how we're going to do it.
And guys, I'm telling it again, please give your equal rights in it. Just drop in a chat box that I want this. Doesn't matter, you have to be in a particular channel. If you do in a particular channel, we will get more attention because it's going to be more cleaned up. But
Yeah.
we will be reading chats, okay?
Please do it in the channels only. Try to, because we spend a lot of time creating them.
You know, suppose you are interacting with me, okay? I'm gonna be the part of every conversation.
Yeah,
Doesn't
right,
matter if
correct.
you're a school of law, engineering. If I like the conversation, I will get into it and try to talk with you, okay? And if I like it, this is something we can do. I'll give you a very small example. How many are fans of these two things? BTS. Okay, we have a question. Please keep raising a hand. I saw it, but we might forget, so no issues. Suppose you like BTS and KTM. For boys, it is KTM, and for everyone, whatever they likes. And these are the very normal topics for a day-to-day conversation. We can talk about endlessly with those things. We can have n number of things.
Yeah, and tech geeks like me can talk about the new Windows 11 launch, right? I hope some of you heard about it. So there are a lot of topics to talk about.
Yeah. And school, there are different schools, okay, school
Exactly.
of commerce and all those things. See, I'm not very familiar with school of law and school of commerce, so we have gonna be like, you know, specific moderators or something for each and every school, so that each school have their own unique kind of experience and not gonna be interfered by each other. Okay, that's the thing.
Okay, so we have a question. Can you please unmute and ask?
Yes, yeah, good evening all. Like I have a question. Like I am a person who is willing to the college providing a program like UTA. So I is willing to opt that. I want the info of the people of the seniors who is already going through the track of UTA.
Okay, okay.
Where
So
can I
yeah,
find
again, just stay in the channels, ask a question there in the general channel, and see if someone replies. Maybe there are people who have already applied to it and they'll be able to help you out.
Don't worry, I have a classmate, like he was very
Huh.
close friend of mine, he applied. So I will ask him, he, of course, he is going to be in a group really soon, so no issues. See, I'm telling you, all the questions cannot be answered in just one day. And like, see, you know that right now we have very few members, but I'm just something I can request you and ask you, like, keep patience, keep sharing. There's these two stream ask. Maybe after month 500 or plus we are targeting. Okay, that's our target. Let's see if we can achieve or not.
Yeah, but again, like if you have a question about UTA, make sure you know drop it in the Discord server. So if there's anyone who has joined who is a part
general
of that,
channel?
yeah, you can
Which
ask in general. Yeah, you can ask in general that chatterbox. So you can ask there that if anyone is a part of UTA, they can help you out. And Abhijit has a friend who is already a part of it, so maybe he'll be able to help you out. So slowly, steadily, you start getting people from different domains, and they're gonna help you out. Right now, as you can see, we are at 40 members, so that's great in one day.
As a basic help, like UTA for University of Texas Arlington, I would suggest that if you are from a wealthy family, go for it. because it charges you as well. Like it's not at all free. You have to pay the living charges and you have to pay the college fees as well. So though it saves your 1 year of life, it costs you a lot. You have to maintain an accommodation in Texas and you have to go for all the payments as well.
And I would also like to add, yeah. So you have to earn extra credits. Okay, if you have till, let's say, second semester, everyone has a common credit of 25. I think my friend has to gain extra five credits by doing some extra classes.
159 credits you achieve by the end of the third year, right? 159. As they are conducting summer courses and all, so we are about to gain the extra courses, extra credits.
CGPA should be like 8 above.
8.2. Yeah. The main question I was about like to write the TOEFL or IELTS. This is the main doubt I was getting mad from 1 month.
Okay, so for Texas, you have to go for a TOEFL.
Even IELTS is also acceptable.
Yeah, but like the weightage of TOEFL is more in the US.
They have told that, but still, like both are accepted by the faculty has informed like both the TOEFL and IELTS and both are accepted by the UTA. So even our college is providing in VAC courses, they are providing classes of IELTS. So we're attending that. That's the reason I was really confused. So that's the reason. If any senior can help me out.
Sure.
Definitely, just drop your question in there and we can chat more on it, and maybe we can get on a call also later on, so that will be much better.
Sure.
Yeah.
So next question is, keep questions coming. Okay, like we are ready to answer everything right now.
Yeah, any other questions regarding the canopy or virtual canopy, or
and you can ask these general questions, but for better answers you have to put in a chat box. Okay, because everybody is not that much experience. I know about the UT and all those things, but everybody might doesn't. So please go ahead, ask more and more questions, like even the silliest ones. Yeah, like you're gonna have a normal conversation. We are all our seniors, I guess. I think few are from first year, so go ahead. How many are from School of Law and Commerce here? Like I'm not very familiar with those schools. Because I'm from School of Engineering, I can answer most of the questions from SOE and somewhat SOD. But SOE, like just say, raise a hand, chat, put in a chat box, anything, so that we can get to know that we have how much diversity we are having currently right now. And one more thing, I want to ask, that should be in the chat box, right? Not right now. Give us more and more ideas to how can we share it. We are open for each and every idea. So guys, I told you, I'm saying again, everybody at the same stage. So keep giving ideas, how can we make it better? And very shortly, we are opening for that our management team.
We will be sending out forms, so you can fill them. And even you can be a part of the organizing team, so we can then have meetings and then plan on how to grow this, how to promote it. If you're a good designer, do join us. If you're a good web developer, we'll be creating some space for that. So yeah, everything's gonna be there.
And it doesn't matter, you have to be good at something.
Yeah, even if you're a beginner, that's also
a beginner. Okay, because most of the sessions we are, as of planning, spoiler alert, gonna be a lot of sessions, and it can be fun to productive. That's it. That's the spoiler I'm giving. Keep thinking about it. That's it. So any much more questions, or should we wind up? Like, what's your...
I think we can wind up now. If there are any questions, do raise your hands or drop them in the chat box. Otherwise, we'll wind up for today, and do share it with your friends. Do share it with every presidency student, university student, and tell them to join the Discord server. And there are a lot of other announcements coming very soon. Abhijit, I don't know why he gave the spoiler, but okay, fine. There are some things coming up. So yeah, there's a lot of things. And yeah, once again, before signing off, these are all the people that you can reach out to at any times. If you have any questions, myself, Trehan Sangapriya, okay, that's my name. Abhijit Ranjan, Jatin Chandra, then you have Ritik Jaiswal, Inder, Dikshit, and also other people who are not online right now, with their cameras. Dhanush, okay, Neha, Harsh, okay, then you have Udit was also there, I guess. No, okay, Sanidhya was there, yeah. So all of these people, you'll find them in the Discord server as well. You just have to tag us and we'll be there to help you out.
Yeah, any queries, it might be anything. So we're here to help you out.
And for all the things, like first thing I'm gonna say that we are gonna be quite active on the server, so don't worry that you will wait for a long time for a reply. And second, like as a part of fourth year students, we can, like, we are the seniors as well as like we have the management authority, so we can make sure that there is no illegal stuff, like not correct stuff going on, offending of the rules. Illegal will be quite a big word. So offending of the
Yeah.
rules will not be going on. We'll take care of that as a matter of seniors and management part. So don't
The
worry
main
about it.
goal is to provide you with a virtual experience which is as good as the physical one. So we might not come up, we might be shortcoming with few things, but we make sure that experience which you create is something which you remember for many more years to come.
And the last
Exactly.
thing, most of the talking is gonna be on the Discord. WhatsApp, we're gonna talk very less. You can still be the joiner of go for the announcements in May in
Yeah,
case
like
of
we'll
network.
do major announcements on WhatsApp, but main
But
communication will be on Discord.
yeah, and second, if your Discord is not on phone, please install it right away, or your laptops on other devices too, because there's gonna be a major part of the communication. If you want to
Exactly.
make as cool as we have envisioned and promised you, I think the effort we are gonna give 200%. If you give 100%, 50% from your side, trust me, I have that enough experience and leverage to make it much more farther than that. That's the promise I can give you. Okay. So, anyways, so 1 minute more, and we're about to sign off. A very huge thank you for everyone who have be till here, and hope this is something we have meet your expectations and you find it really, really cool. And thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. And now we are ending the session. And thank you for being part of it once again. If you have any further more questions, you can use all our channels to ask us. Okay, on Discord, you can use WhatsApp, Telegram. We are also active there. Instagram, go follow us. LinkedIn is a great place to be. So you can definitely check us out on LinkedIn as well. And yep, that's it for today. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Take care and bye bye.
Bye
And
bye.
guys,
Take
we're
care,
not gonna
everyone.
kick you out. You have to leave on your own. We have a tradition. We never kicks anyone out. Okay. So
Well,
if you want to stay, we
sorry
can stay
to
forever in the
offend,
meeting.
but I am ending the meeting. So
Yeah,
unfortunately, everyone
just
will be out.
yeah,
So
just
I'm ending the
end the recording first and then
yeah.
end the meeting. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Also, we are on YouTube before we end it, so you
Hmm.
can check out this recording later on YouTube as